What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we are gonna go over the last day of the trading week. You already know Friday is already here. We ain't worried about that. We gonna finish the week out strong. We knocking stuff out of the ballpark. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything that will rock the market on this last trading day. You got at 8:30 a whole bunch of stuff going down at 8:30. U.S. employment, hourly wages. You got 10 o'clock construction spending. We know how to react when we get data drops. We ain't panicking. We ain't FOMOing. We waiting for a clear direction and then we pounce, period. Jumping in too early, FOMOing, that's what kills your account. We ain't doing that. Guys, before we jump into our first ticker, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way you stay on top of these dynamite plays that we drop in. And that way you stay on top of these video drops whenever we drop them. So guys, let's go ahead and jump in for the newbies and beginners. We got INTC in the building. INTC, they had a little run up, 23.33 is where they sitting. We know this is the earnings pop or drop, whichever way they decide to open up. But right now they are up. We'll look and see where they open up tomorrow. But I gave y'all some kind of idea what this play was going to try to do in yesterday's video. We go to the 30-minute time frame. We can go to the 15, but I'm going to use the 30 in this case right here. We seeing what they going to try to do. I expect them to open somewhere around this area in here, around 24.10 or higher. And they're going to try to pop this thing back up to 24.70, and then they're going to boom it. They're going to try to head for the next leg up. And guys, I already told you, pay attention. Once they start crossing past $22 even, what did I say? They're going to try to make that push all the way back up to this stuff up in here. 28.88, 28.90. I'm anxious to see how they open up. If they can open up higher than where they at right now, somewhere around 25.40, then man, these guys is gonna boom this thing. Regardless if they do or don't, we will play the levels that they give us throughout the day and we will dominate those. If you are a bear, you want to see them get right back down to this stuff right in here. 23.20, you want to see them break through that, but ultimately you want to see them start taking out this area right here at 22.30. They can break through that, boom, we coming down to 21.50, and they lose that level right there, then they're going to start swinging this thing all the way back down up under the $20 mark. It should be an interesting day in this ticker. I'll be waiting and we will pounce whenever they identify themselves. Next ticker up, we gonna knock it out with the little money maker that we've been eating on for the last couple weeks. This ticker has showed us that when SPY is tripping and SPY ain't showing us no money, we can go right to ENPH. ENPH is making us money. If you look at this ticker, they sitting at 83.50, but this thing is a money maker. It is a go-getter. Boom, boom that thing up to $84, and we walk this play down in the Discord. You guys that took those levels and wrote them down and played those breaks, congratulations, champagne bottles in the air, because you made some money today. They're sitting at 83.50 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 84.10 get taken out. They can take out 84.10. They running it up to the next level. They trying to get up here 85.70. You got these tops right here at 86.70. So pay attention to that. On your downside, you want to see this level right here at 82.90 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming down to this stuff right here, 82.60, and then boom, 81.55. They lose that level right there. They got one more area of interest at 80.90 before they start pulling back up under the $80 range. That's that ticker right there. Next ticker up, we're going to do SMCI. And this ticker right here, this has been a money maker too. I've been playing this play on the downside. I've been buying puts in this play right here because I told you guys earlier, I said I like them for more downside because they can pop it real high, but we know they can drop this thing real low as well. If you are a bull, they're sitting at 29.10. You want to see these tops right here at 29.70 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they run into 30.90. They break through that, they're going to start this trip all the way back up to 32.20 before trying to take out this 33.90 area. I'm getting away from the downside in this play right here because they can only go so far low before they start booming it back up. And we know this play can swing left real hard and they can swing right real hard. We play what we see. We play what the market gives us. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here, these bottoms right here at 27.90 get taken out. They can take out 27.90. You got 27.10 on deck. They break that. Hello, we're going to see 25, and then they're going to try to push that thing even lower, 23.20. That's something to pay attention to. Last but not least, ticker. We knocked this one out of the ballpark. This was one that was played a couple days ago to the downside. DJT. If you see this play right here, I called out a play a couple days ago when they were sitting at around 44, 45. They're sitting at 34.70 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 35.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come into 37.10. They break through that right there. You want to see this level at 38.90 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming back to this high stuff up here, 43.90. But this ticker is very volatile. Pros, I probably shouldn't even put this with the newbies here because this thing got a lot of swing and you can get stuck, and this will blow your account if you got too many contracts and you don't know how to navigate this thing right here. Newbies and beginners, I'd probably stay away from this one. If I was you guys, I'll pay attention to the previous three that I gave. This one is rough. And if you are going to play this newbies and beginners, slide in there with one contract. See how that do. See how you play that one. If you plan the upside and it's popping for you real good, then you can build to your position from there. I wouldn't go crazy in this ticker right here because, like I said, this ticker can fly and it can drop as well. My job is to give you information that can protect you along your travels. That's the newbies and beginner plays. Big ballers, shot callers, y'all come to the table because we got something good for you guys. We got QQQ. Come on up. They're sitting at 485.60. If you are a bull, you want to see 486.80 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You want to see 488.55 taken out. Then this level here, 489.90. And then boom, they come into 492.35. They break through that level right there. Hello, we come into 495.90, and they trying to get to this stuff up here at 498.51. On the downside, you want to see this shelf level right here at 484.60 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got 483.80. They start breaking through that one. Hello, you got some downside on your hands, and we'll handle QQQ in real time if that happens. There you go in QQQ. Next ticker up is going to be YouTube request, Nvidia. If you see they are sitting at 133.75, if you are a bull, you want to see 134.55 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this shelf level at 136.10. You want to see this break right here, 137.65. They break through that. Boom, you come into 139.10 and higher. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this little area right in here get taken out. All this stuff in here at 133.50. They break through that. Boom, you come into this shelf level right here at 132.70. Then you got this little bit of stuff here, but here's that level at 131.80. You got some turbulence at 131.10 to 130.66. They break through that right there. Boom, they got a long way to drop. They will come up under that 130 mark. Next ticker up, we gonna do SPY. Sitting at 569.25. Guys, we walked the SPY down level to level today. And if you plan those breaks, I'm telling you, hey, once it gets to this point right here, it's still bearish. Don't get in above this area right here. It's bullish. That's when you need to think about calls. But man, I thought it was super bearish today. And SPY 10-12 today. We are in a downtrend at the moment. Bulls need to recover level at 573.40 to get this thing going. Below it, that means if we don't get to that level right there, below it, bears are going to keep trying to take this thing down to 571.95, then 570.45. These levels were covered in last night's video. Congrats to all that follow. Champagne bottles in the air for you guys. Cheers. Salute you guys, because I call out these plays in the previous day and in that video right there. And again, if you watch these videos, I'm calling these levels. Unless we get a big pop up from earnings or a big drop down, these levels are almost pinpoint accurate, pinpoint to the dollar, to the cent. Man, you should be able to dominate on these plays, but this is part of doing your homework, your pre-work. You got to put the work in. You can't come to the market thinking that you just gonna jump in and buy calls and buy puts. It don't work that way. You got to put the leg work in. You don't put the leg work in, you are not gonna reap the benefits of your hard work labor. That's why you got to put it in and reap that reward. Guys, we caught that thing. We caught that Tesla play. But man, what was fresh? Look, SPY game. Bears are grinding this thing down. We have a couple important levels ahead if they stay strong. 569.90 level taken out gives us heavy level at 569.40. If they break that down, their next target will be to get down to that 567.60 level. Where are we at? I said this level, 570.35. Next level down, boom, 566.45. I said, if they break that down, where are we going to try to run to? We trying to run to 567.60. And you see where we sitting at? Where they ran that thing down before closing? 568.40. They are on it. They are trying to drop this thing. They need a miracle tomorrow to keep this thing going. They need that data to be favorable. The world has to love it. Wall Street has to love it. Everybody needs to love that data for us to get some type of candlestick to pop us right back over the 575 mark. Because if that data isn't favorable, they gonna crash through my 567.60 area and boom, we coming down to 565. Look what's in here. Guys, this is called turbulence. This is turbulence. Write that word down, because when you see it on my chart, when you see all these lines all together like that, that's turbulence. That means it's ready to be a big move. They're going to shoot this thing all the way back down to my level at 562.90. After that, boom, they're going to come down to 560. What's up under 560? We knocking on 559. We coming back down to a new area code. And as you see, boom, they break this level at 560.85. Boom, we coming down to 559.10. So guys, it can get messy tomorrow if data isn't favorable. Pay attention to those levels right there, because we at the end of the week tomorrow, Friday, but you got Monday, you got Tuesday, you got Wednesday of next week. If bears come on strong, these levels down here are going to be super duper valid. But I'm not saying run out there and buy a whole bunch of calls, and I'm not saying run out there and go buy a whole bunch of puts. I'm saying pay attention to what's going on, do your pre-work, study these levels, and then execute once you see the plays developing. And I'm right there with you grinding throughout the day, so you ain't got to worry about that. I love to see you guys knocking it out of the ballpark, hearing your success stories. So guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, before we end this thing, guys, if you made money on that ENPH play today, man, show some love in the comments right there, man. Show some love anyway in the comments. But hey, I done took enough of your time, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.